National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Boone County in north central Illinois, western DeKalb County in north central Illinois, northwestern LaSalle County in north central Illinois, Lee County in north central Illinois, Ogle County in north central Illinois, Winnebago County in north central Illinois until 7:15 a.m. At 6:09 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 23 miles west of Winslow to 24 miles southwest of Winslow to 28 miles west of Milledgeville to 36 miles west of Tampico and moving east at 70 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Mount Morris, Dixon, Oregon, Walden, Rockton, Rockford Airport, McChesney Park, Rockford, South Beloit, Loves Park, Rochelle, Belvedere, Chavanoff, Foreston, Polo, Lake Somerset, Pecatonica, Durand, Winnebago, and Byron. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, large hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. If you are in the path of these storms, prepare immediately for damaging winds. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building and away from windows.
This is NOAA's Weather Radio, KX-41 Crystal Lake. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. The station